Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has categorized Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 59.66% since we first suggested purchasing Palantir 15 days ago. This equates to an average return of around 3.98% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a broad and robust short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $97.60. This level may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $120.58 will be the next possible peak in the trend, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 45.33% in the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 7.04% to positive 21.59%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 263.75% over the next year, with a potential return between 80.84% and 181.45%. This translates to a price range of $210.97 to $328.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir features the headline, "Strong day for Palantir stock price on Monday, rising by 5.24% to $116.66. The Palantir stock price gained 5.24% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, moving up from $110.85 to $116.66. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.39%, with a low of $108.72 and a high of $116.75. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 54.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 43 million shares, with a total of 98 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $11.4 billion. It's important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $116.75, while the lowest was $20.33. Currently, the price stands at 0.08%, or $0.09 below the 52-week high of $116.75, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, identified by the ticker symbol PLTR, experienced a notable rally in its stock price today, rising by 5.31%, showcasing the strong momentum it has been gathering recently. This surge follows the company's impressive fourth-quarter earnings, which exceeded expectations with a remarkable 36% year-over-year revenue growth and a 75% increase in earnings per share. Such robust performance indicates that Palantir is effectively capitalizing on opportunities within the artificial intelligence sector, an area that is increasingly in demand. However, the stock's valuation raises some caution among analysts. With a price-to-earnings ratio strikingly high at 583 and a price-to-sales ratio of 87, many experts recommend a hold rating. This suggests that while Palantir has potential for long-term growth, the current valuation may deter some investors in the short term. Observing broader trends, there is an increased appetite for technology stocks, positioning Palantir favorably. According to recent analyses, both Palantir and its peer companies, such as Nvidia, are regarded as deep dip buys, indicating a potential for continued bullish sentiment in the market. The ongoing demand for artificial intelligence solutions supports an optimistic outlook for Palantir's growth trajectory. As analysts continue to assess the stock's performance in relation to its valuation, the company is set to remain a focal point for investors, possibly leading to significant price movements in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action. Also on that day, Jefferies issued an underperform rating for PLTR, maintaining a hold action. On Friday, January 31st, 2025, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR a cautious rating, resulting in a downgrade action. Finally, on Thursday, January 23rd, 2025, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Palantir stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $101.46 and $80.42. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13th, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 79.53%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Close attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 173 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 161 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $111.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility. With a significantly large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, the stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.03 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.39%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 6.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 11 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and rely on volume indicators to determine when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at 111.28. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of February, 2025, Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 11,794 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of February, 2025, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 500 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of February, 2025, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 1,300 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of February, 2025, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 600 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of February, 2025, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 1,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.330. Overall, insiders purchased 12,751,469 shares and sold 21,016,903 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $112.99, which is a decrease of 3.15%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, which considerably heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several positive indicators. However, we believe they are not sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to categorize it as a hold candidate, which means to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis of this stock since the last evaluation, changing our stance from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February, we anticipate Palantir to open lower by $2.62 and start trading at $114.04. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.